नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am JVN Dr. Anamika Aherwal, Associate Professor in the Department of Science and Technology at Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today, I am going to take the lecture on the subject name Introduction to Data Science. Now, today's session is on the Data Science Process Case Study Part 2. And in this session, we cover in brief about data science and data science process and the data science case studies. These two case studies I already told discuss about in previous session in part 1, and rest of the two I'll discuss in this, that is data science in biotech and data science in education. Now I am telling you about just in brief about data science. It is basically a multidimensional field that uses scientific method, tools and algorithms to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. So it involves a semantic blend of scientific and statistical methods, processes, algorithms, development and technologies to extract meaningful information from data. Now telling you in brief about data science process so that you can easily correlate with this session. Okay, so there are basically 5 steps. In the first step, you have class questions to frame the business problem. Second is get relevant data for analysis of the problem, and the third one is explore the data to make error corrections. Fourth step is model the data for in-depth analysis. Now in step 5, you have to communicate the results of the analysis. Now come to our main topic, that is data science case studies. 2 case studies I have already discussed in my previous video of part 1, and rest of the 2 I am discussing in this part 2 video. Okay, so the data science in biotech means you have already aware about the biotech. Okay, so in this, the biogenome consists of 4 building blocks basically. Here they are the concept of genome, okay, like A, T, C and G. Okay, so our appearance and characteristics are determined by 3 billion permutations of these 4 building blocks. Okay, these 4 means A, T, C and G. Okay, so although there are genetic defects and lifestyle defects, okay, so the result will lead to chronic diseases. Identifying these defects at an early stage will allow doctors and testing teams to take preventive actions. Okay, so as early as possible we detect, then early we can give the medication, or we can take the prevention. Okay, so Helix is basically one of the companies for genome analysis that provides customers with their genomic data. Okay, so also due to emergence of new computational methodologies, many medicines adapted to particular genetic designs that have become increasingly popular. Okay, so of course thanks to data explosion, so that using this we can understand and analyze complex genome sequence on a worldwide scale. So what data scientist does? Data scientists can use modern computational resources to manage massive database. Okay, so and understand the patterns in genome sequence to detect defects and provide information to physicians and researchers. Okay, so basically it works on the database. Okay, as I told you in my previous videos, they are massive data and you have to retrieve the information as per your requirement, right? So in addition, With the use of wearable tools, data scientists may use the relationships between genetic characteristics and medical visits to build a predictive modeling framework. Okay, so they basically the data science is used in this manner in biotech field. So the next comes in the data science in education. Of course, in academics it also plays a role of data scientist, because in this area there is also massive data. Okay, so science has also changed the way students communicate with teachers and assess their successes. Okay, so instructors may use data science to evaluate the input they obtain from students and use it to enhance their teaching. So the data science can be used to construct predictive modeling that can predict student dropout levels based on their results, and advise instructors to take the appropriate precautions. Okay, so this is all about the case studies of data science. Uh, this is the question for the practice. Explain any case study of data science in education. Thank you. So, this session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it.